Hey you guys, it's Coach Ben with Give and Grow here with another Give and Grow breathwork for you guys today. If you're new to this channel or to these videos, this is where we really get to work on our mind, our emotions, and our body by combining breathwork with the power of music, right? We know how powerful music it is. We use it all the time, or maybe you do, maybe you don't, but you can. It's a powerful tool to boost our energy, to calm our energy, to find somewhere in between that connects with how we want to feel or how we're feeling in the moment. So it's truly a powerful tool for us, and the breath is the same. We can use it to boost our energy, to calm our energy, or to find that balance somewhere in the middle. So when we combine the two, it's really good stuff. The word of today's breathwork is listening. Listening to ourselves, our mind, our body, our emotions, because they're communicating with us. They're trying to let us know, hey, we might need something. Or, hey, change what we're doing here. Quit eating all that junk food. It doesn't make our body feel good, right? When we listen to ourselves, we better understand ourselves. And when we listen to others, we better understand others. Why are they angry? Why are they sad? We can ask and listen and really build connection and build our relationships. So the song that we're going to be breathing to today is called Listen by Brainstory. And this is a nice upbeat song to move our bodies to, so that not only are we getting the benefits of music, breath, but we're also getting the benefits of moving our body. That can help us with emotions as well. If you're new to breath work, we're going to be breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, and we're going to do it to the rhythm of the song so you can really get in the zone. All right, you ready? You can sit down, stand up, put your hands up. Here we go. Go ahead and breathe out. In through your nose for your belly, out through your mouth, relax. In, out. In with a smile, out with the groove. In, out. In, out. Breathe into your belly here. In, into your ribs, out, in, out, moving your body if you'd like, in, out, in, feeling free in your mind, out, and your body, in, out, letting go of any uncomfortable emotions, in, out, in, out, in, nice and big, out, in, out, in, out, in, nice and slow, out, in, out, in, keep going, out, in, out. Go ahead and breathe all the way in, fill up your belly, fill up your chest. Hold your breath at the top and take a moment here just to listen to your body. Not with our ears, but just with our focus. Focusing on the parts of your body that feel good. noticing the parts of your body that might feel uncomfortable or tense or tight. Allowing those parts of your body to relax, to soften, to melt. When we listen to our body, we better understand it. When we better understand our body, we can give it exactly what it needs. If you're still holding, beautiful. If you're listening to your body and you need to breathe, give your body what it needs, some more air, some new air. All right, I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this video. If you want to hit like and subscribe, please do. If you want to leave a comment with how you're feeling or how your classroom's responding to this, it's greatly appreciated. All right. Thanks again for tuning in. And I invite you guys this week, continue to listen to your body. Continue to check in. What does my body need? Does it need some food? Does it need some rest? Right? Listening to ourselves is so powerful, and all it takes is slowing down for a second and choosing to listen. You already know it's time to grow. I'll see you in the next video.